Hey everybody, it's Giselle and welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree haul. So I was out at Dollar Tree trying to look at some small storage solutions for my craft area. And of course, bought more than I had bargained for, but I do need this stuff and I am going to use them. Every item in these bags I'm going to use. So let's get into it. What bags to start with? Okay, so I got these. I'm just going to whip right through it. No particular order. It's these two clear. I think I even have one. Oh, you can't really see. I have one that's in where I am, in my room. And I'm going to use this for my storage. Sorry. My crafting space. So I got two of that. I saw these and the Godson. I'm just going to call him the Godson because it just seems to be in every haul that I do. Loves Paw Patrol. He's getting more into the superhero stuff, the Marvel. But I thought I would do something with these. So it's the Paw Patrol. And I don't know the names of them. But, oh, there's names on here. This is Chase. I know Chase because we have a Chase stuffy here for him. So Chase. This is Marshall. And I thought this one was cute. I just want this for myself. Sky. And I got another Chase. And I picked up a Mickey. This is for a craft. Very cute. What else did I get? What did I get? I needed some glitter. I haven't bought glitter in a long time. I used to buy these all the time. This is from Forever in Time, and it is like the purples and the silvers, gold. Very pretty. Oops. And I picked up some of these. These are flat pad earring backs because I'm always losing the backings of my earrings. So I thought, I'm going to buy this. Yeah, so I bought one pack of that. Oh, next bag. No particular reason. And my dog's a little bit of a brat. No, he's very cute. So, this is not the type of dog that I have, but I thought it was cute. And it's gold, and they had a silver one, just like it. Put that there. Pick up a second one of this glitter. It's the same one. I picked up these gemstone stickers. I don't think I have this green, and I thought the green was so pretty. I think I have a light green and very small, so I thought this was very pretty. A notebook that I needed to do. I'm going to do something with the notebook. This one is Craft Pal Foam Fun, and I guess you just put it, you create a superboard, peel and stick, and that's what it looks like, and this is for the Godson. That's how it is on the back. There, so it's a DIY with gems and glitter and foam. Oh, this is neat. This is what is in the pack. Picked up as a craft for him to do. And he's here. Put this down here. more. So 2 more of these notebooks. Not that I needed it, but felt that I should just buy it. It is a deco tape, and it's the jot one, the thin washi. And yeah, so there's 7 in here. So I picked that up for my journals. Like I said, 2 more of these. I picked up I think it's smaller. It's a bit small. I think I've shown it before. And I altered it. Well, I did a cover it for my coworker. But I didn't like that the pages on the inside were perforated, so they could potentially come out. So I like this, that it's not perforated. And I think it's a little bit more pages. I think that one was smaller, so I got 3. The red one, now black, and the green. Oopsie. Why did it feel like it was so much stuff? Felt like I had a lot of stuff. Okay, so I picked up this again for my craft area. I have kind of like 2 craft areas. One area where I actually do all the crafting and have storage here too, but I have storage out in my living room type office section. Anyway, so I feel I need to build up because I don't have that many drawer spaces. So I bought this for my craft area, and it's just the cabinet shelf you would put inside your cabinets in your kitchen. So 2 white ones. I think I might spray paint it, but I'm not sure yet. But I'm definitely going to use them. And last but definitely not least, I walked into the store, and with all the reusable bags, I almost picked up another one that I had gotten before. They were smaller. I think they're almost like half the size. It's a little bit bigger than half, but I saw this and I thought maybe I can throw away one of the other ones that I have. But yeah, it's very cute. What is on the side, and it says Tropical Vibes. The cashier thought it was so pretty, and he was a man. He was like, "That's such a nice bag." And I was like, "Oh, you think so?" So, he was more liking that it said Tropical Vibes. He was from the Caribbean. So, yeah, very vibrant. Very nice for spring and summer. So that is it. I hope you liked it. What are you finding at your Dollar Trees? I don't, need to buy anymore, but I will look. And I definitely need to get some stuff for my outside balcony. I'm going to try again this summer. But yeah, that's it, everybody. Take care, and until the next one. It wasn't that big. It felt like there was like about 10 bags, but not so much. So see you in the next one. Bye.